Oh, is that out? That's bang in front.
Wonderful delivery.
Bowling. This time, pace off, slow one. Irish Rauf. Off.
Hold him. He drags it on, and Naseem shot.
Contrast, this young fellow goes fuller. This one he's tried to bang in. It's a healthy brace with a foul. He should. Oh, pass ball! How about that for a start?
Travis said, couldn't locate this, just swung away and hit that off stump from Shaheen Afridi and for Pakistan.
That's what ball is fast and straight. Every time he gives you a wicket, this radiation is helping.
Oh, cleans him up. Oh, what a... He's turning it on.
And it was perfectly delivered in the timing. Look at that tail. What a beauty. Well kept. Oh.
Particularly on tracks like this. Oh, that's not a bad shout, not a bad shout. Up goes the finger.
He's onto that back foot, but the seam back in just too quick for him. And he's Raja said, no, just carry on walking. Shaheen Shah.
Oh, he's got him. He's knocked him over. The bowler's revenge.
Yeah, he wanted to go with the club, hit it in the middle stump. Slow delivery, I guess.
A slow one is chipped in the air. Fielder settles underneath and takes it second in his ODI career. And he has been...
It'd be a little bit edgy, these openers. Oh, that's beautifully bowled.
Zazai playing for the first time, but watch that.
In T20I. Oh, and he's got it! He's got his 50th wicket! Apologizes to Afridi.
Oh, he's got him. So Rizwan was dropped, but he's got the